welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Anshul Mahajan and today I'm gonna show you rainbow eye makeup on this special occasion of Holi. You can see my eye makeup. So are you excited guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you a detailed step-by-step makeup tutorial of this eye makeup.
क्या बोला तूने? नहीं पहले क्या बोला?
So without wasting any time, let's get started.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So guys, first of all, I'm taking a brown color on a round brush like this, and you have to make a cut crease as I'm showing. I'm using a small mirror for it.
I don't know कि double sorry लगी है. I need news but
see, and then I'm applying yellow color on my outer corner as I'm showing it. Just blend it carefully. I mean, blending is the key. As much you blend it, the more glamorous it looks after. Now it is perfect. So I applied it on my both of eyes and that's how it looks. Okay. Actually I don't have any clothes, so I'm removing it with my hands. So it's time for my favorite pink color. My nose turned pink. So it's complete. And then I took a purple color and applied it in between. I don't know why. Actually, I tried to make a wing eyeliner with eyeshadow. Tell me how it looks. So now you have to apply a little bit of foundation and make a cut crease like this. This is my mirror. I have took a little bit of foundation on a brush. You have to take a clean brush like this. So now I am applying green color. So now it's time for light green color. Now it's time for orange color. Then I'm using a yellow color again. Then I'm taking my blue color to fill my wing with my eyeshadow. And then take a light blue color and apply it like this. I'm taking a purple color. You can use a earbud on your lower lash line because it's difficult with the help of a brush. So it's time for our favorite white kajal. I'm applying black kajal. Now I'm applying liner. तो मस्कारा के लिए मैं यूज कर रही हूँ अपने आईलाइनर का ब्रश. इस पे मैंने मतलब बहुत ही लिटिल अमाउंट में आईलाइनर लिया है. एक है कि अगर आपके पास आई मस्कारा ना हो ना, ऐसे भी लगा सकते हैं आप.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास, कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं जी.
मैं क्या करूं, फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
उसके बाद अपने खाली मस्कारा ब्रश से आप इसको सेट कर सकते हैं ऐसे ही. So now I'm applying Kryolan Supra's FS22 number base. Now you have to blend it. So my base is done. So now I'm gonna move on to my highlighter. It's my favorite makeup product. As my eyebrows are raw, so I'm not gonna show my eyebrows in this video. It's time for blusher. Just blend it. Now it's time for a final touch, lipstick. And that's how I apply my lipstick, a very little amount, and just blend it. So guys, that's all for this video. If you like it, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.